in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number one is companion, the wife. Number two, oh confusion. Wife number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Who is this girl that knows I want to marry?
She's a nice girl.
You know her?
Yes. I meet her in Musa house when I go to Kaduna the last time.
You mean she's already living in Musa's house?
Eh.
Hey, then why do we need proper marriage? Huh? Children of nowadays living with a man without proper wedding. Eh? Who is her father?
Musa say he's a big man here in Eko.
Eh, what is his name? Doesn't he have a name?
Ola something.
Ola what?
Ola Martin.
Ola Martin. I don't think I know him. Anyway, I hope it's a family we can cope with. I don't want to allow.
See.
This one that allowed their daughter to be living with a man without proper marriage.
See, they love each other well.
Love. What is love? Look, love is not a proper ingredient for marriage.
See.
What I'm saying is that children of nowadays, they read too much storybook. What they call love is Oyibo love. The one that your wife will tell you, hey, shut up there. And then you will say, yes, darling.
See.
Number one is companion, the number two. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the contemplation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, Fuji.
Enter now instead of standing there. So, leave them alone.
Senor, it is my week and I just hope Mama is not planning to take over.
Go there and tell them.
I know fit to.
Goody. Stay there and board last.
Wife number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the contemplation, Fuji practical solution.
Yes, what do you want?
Oh, no worry me, I want to sleep.
Hey, go and sleep. Anyone disturb you?
What's you?
Come on, not here in your room. Can't you see I'm talking to my wife?
But it is my week.
Ireti, don't worry. When I go to bed, I will let you know.
Thank you, Mommy. Eshe.
But no, Ireti. You remember I give you 2 weeks when you come first.
Yes, ma.
I take this week for exchange.
But Mommy, I thought you dashed me.
Dash you.
Oh, tell me more, Jare.
Oh, Jare.
So this I hope that we can Peace! Peace!
Chief, what is it?
I have told you people that I'm not canary bird in this house. Look at this bread.
What is wrong with the bread?
How do you think this will do me? Penny.
Don't insult me. I'm chief, Inugo. If it's a bigger size you want, you tell me, I'll get it.
Who's talking about a big slice? Look, I want something that will hold my tummy, my friend. Yes, sir. Oh. Yes,
Good morning.
Yes.
Chief Ola Martins.
Ola.
Ola Martins. Ola be one in Martins.
Pino. Yeah, come here, Indo. Oh.
I was in the neighborhood and I thought I should meet you. Considering the fact that we shall soon be meeting each other to talk about our children.
Very good. Very good. See, you have done very well. And you also met me well.
Oh, really?
I am having a continental breakfast of bread and tea.
Wonderful.
So please come to the table and join me.
Oh, no. Thank you. I already had breakfast.
No, in-law. You cannot refuse. Come to the table. Peace! Bring up here! Please sit down.
Number 3 is commotion. Fuji has a promotion.
Good morning.
How are you, madam? How?
Fine, thank you, sir. Chief, this one go open.
Oh, peace.
Is anything the matter with your eyes?
No, nothing. Peace. Where are the eggs and bacon and all the other condiments?
Chineke me. Na money kill am. Abi I go cut my nose to my them.
Peace.
Chief, it's all right. I don't think I want any more breakfast.
No. Are you sure?
Oh, yes. I'm very sure. Very sure.
All right. You will now have to tell me when next you are coming, so that I will tell my wife to cook for you. So, my sweet wife studied catering in the university.
Really?
Yes.
Catering practical.
Peace.
Oga, I don't know you from Adamo, but if catering practical cooks for you, just click it.
Oh, these women, they like African romance too much. You yap them, they yap you back. You beat them, they beat you back, and you all laugh.
I never thought of it that way.
You better think of it that way. Because that way you will never have hypertension.
Chief, now that I have seen you, I would like to be on my way. Yes.
All right. Anyway, all right. I am going to have to come to you very soon, so that we can discuss. You know, Musa is my first son, and I've been waiting for the day he will take a wife. That day. I am going to close this whole street, and the people will know that I, Chief Tajuddin Adeboale Fuji, is not a man to joke with. True. Hello. They will know me. Hello. Well done. You see, in fact,
we have to make sure of the plans of our children to get married. Yes.
I think they are sure. In fact, they better be sure. In fact, look, since they have even been living together without marriage, I am sure they are sure.
In any case, I'll let BC come and see you. I'll call you next week when she gets back.
Yes. So, as soon as BC comes back, she should come and spend some time with us.
Some time with you?
Yes.
Do you think that is such a good idea?
She's marrying into the family. I think it's better for us to know her. You know?
All right, okay. When she gets back next week, I will get in touch with you.
All right. Thank you.
By the way, if there's anything that you think we can do, don't hesitate to let us know.
Oh, no, there's no problem. There's no problem. Amy, I am very ready. Even I am more than ready. You know, the first son of me, Chief Tajuddin Adebo Ale Fuji, Esquire, is getting married. I will show them. Amy, I will show them. Look. Musa to she yago. Oh yeah. Musa to she yago. I will show them.
Mama BC asked me to give this to your wives.
It's good. She sent us a gift.
I think it is a sample of the ashwebi that she wants them to wear for the engagement party. She will be sending them the one for the wedding next week.
All right.
Is that a problem?
No, not a problem at all. Problem, no. Problem. No problem.
All right, then. I'll be off.
All right, Chief.
Okay.
Thank you, my august in-law. Thank you very much.
Why did you bring the materials to me?
I thought you forgot.
Forgot? How can I allow my daughter to marry such barbaric family?
You don't start asking me to buy another ashwebi.
I only came to check them out.
Why are you boiling eggs?
Yes, you. From today, I am not a This is a warning for all of you. You respect me. You hear? All of you. Any one of you that does any rubbish, I will pardon you and disband that person.
Look at you.
What is wrong with him? Don't mind the idiot. He's laughing at his mother, not me. Bello, mind yourself, Mind yourself. Devil. Mommy, come and eat your food. Thank you, Oshibu. You can't talk at your Mommy, sorry.
Choi. What is happening here?
Happening where, Tatafo?
I heard somebody scream like a goat with a knife on the throat.
You are mad. What? Say you want to beat Abi? After what your father did this morning, you want to beat her?
It is the insult one gets from your father and his badly formed children.
One day go, one day. Shut up.
What happened?
Yeah. One day go be one day, Rabiu. I will beat you,
Why not today? Why not today?
Just thank your stars.
My stars?
Your stars, Oporoko.
Look. If you don't close down your mouth, I will mend your mandibles and it will hang out like...
You cannot do anything. Stupid.
Shut up!
Go and get the dog. What? What's your own? No, you can't hear.
Hello. Is this the home of Chief T.A. Fuji?
Who is looking for him?
His girlfriend.
Hey, guys. Hasn't anyone told you that being insulting to your guest is incredibly juvenile?
I beg, speak English, Joe.
After all, you didn't drop your school fees.
But sir, don't insult us, though, because we are very good at Muhammad Ali.
Papa's girlfriend has come to see us.
Lisa! Let her go. Nonsense.
Thank you, Rabbi. Your brother told me all about you.
My brother?
Yeah, Musa.
Brother Musa, do you know him?
Yes, yeah. You must be Jumoke, right? Oh, I'm busy Ola Martins, his fiancée.
Fiancé.
His wife to be.
Welcome, Auntie. Mommy, this is them.
Fuji house of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of promotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of promotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. And everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji house of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of promotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of promotion.
Auntie BC is here.
Kanye.
Brother Musa's,
Oh, our wife. Hey, where is she?
she's in the parlor waiting for you.
Jalo. Let me come and see the wife that Musa married. Iyabo.
Oh, hi. You must be Musa's Popsy.
Popsy.
She means Papa.
Oh, I prefer that Papa to Pepsi now, so that I will know when you are abusing me.
Abuse? Oh, come on, not on your life. I was brought up with manners.
So how did they teach you to greet people?
Yeah, okay. Evening, Chief. It's a pleasure meeting you.
La, Musa don't marry wife. Where is your mother?
She hasn't returned from the market, Papa.
Okay.
What seems to be the problem, Tan?
No problem, no problem at all. Yeah, just sit down, my dear, and read your book. Yeah, no problem at all. At the come. Peace. Peaceful peace. Peace, I was going to ask, what happened to your face now? Peaceful peace. Waiting that train jammed you. Only give us. I was going to ask whether train jammed you. What's wrong with you now?
Oh gosh, this is serious.
I was just going to ask whether that train jammed you now. Shut up there, you this man. Look, if I see your teeth again, I will pan and beat your face for you.
What have I gotten myself
No.
into?
Don't worry.
Of hooligans.
That is not how we behave.
These
in this
people
place, yeah?
are barbarians.
Let me go and see peace.
Dead was
Peace.
right.
My peaceful
I shouldn't have come here today.
What is always wrong with you, eh?
I really have to give this marriage stuff
Are you
more
crazy?
thought.
What's wrong with you?
Peace, peace. Peaceful peace. Peaceful peace. Why now? Don't you know that you are my baby sweet banana? Eh? The best love of my sugared zobo drink.
Is that why you beat me?
Oh, something must be wrong with my eye, oh. Because how can? Look, I thought it was Ireti I was panel beating.
But I don't look like one teacher.
At all. That is why I said something must be wrong with my eye. Even my head, Papa.
Chief.
Look, the honest truth. Honest truth. Peace. Come, Joe, my sweet.
Mommy, I came.
Hey, no, get out of the place.
Sorry, Papa.
You can't even know.
Papa,
Come on,
sorry.
get out with immediately.
Sorry.
What is it? Nonsense. Sure. Where were we, Jerry? I beg as we were doing. My baby, sweet tomato, my sugar, orange drink, my buttered banana, big blow of my head. My sweet.
Bad pikin of bad money.
Yagba, why now?
What are you peep? What are you peep? It is not your mother room. Go inside if you like. Why peep? Huh? What is happening, Seth?
My baby, sweet potato. Oh, baby.
After beat her.
Best sweet love of my people.
What are you laughing? Oh, yeah. Let's go downstairs. Come and help me downstairs.
Yagba, Beat is downstairs now. Let her help you.
Yagba! Mommy! Shout, call your mother. If she like, let her come and save you. If she can leave what she do. What is it?
Who are you fighting with now? Is it mommy you're talking to? Is it mommy you're talking to like that? Is it mommy you're talking to?
What is it?
Mommy you're talking to?
Mommy! Come and meet me here. Foolish speaking of foolish mother. Mommy!
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.